Hi y'all, this is Guru Nation, and today for y'all, I'll be rebuilding the Celtics. So my goal today is to get the Celtics to the championship. You know, LeBron has been the king of the East for 8 years straight. So Kyrie say he the man, but let's see if really the man. For the roster, I brought back Hayward so he can help out. So Kyrie gonna play point guard, shooting guard Jaylen Brown, small forward Hayward at power forward, Tatum at center, Al Horford. Alright, so we need some really decent players on the bench. So we'll be trading. Yeah, but usually that boy name, and we'll be trading Abdel Nador. Let's see what we get. Any good trades. Ooh, John Collins like that one. You know what? Just give me John Collins. Yeah, that was the best trade. Alright, yo, John Collins gonna be on the bench for us. Alright. Let me just. Why is Hayward on the bench? He crazy. Alright, let me just fix this. Alright, here we're gonna be at small forward. Tatum gonna be power forward. Let's give Kyrie some more minutes. Alright, y'all. Let's some catches first game. Alright. Got a good lead. Oh, we just took by 1 point. Gotta be kidding me. Kyrie had 16 points. Come on, Kyrie. 4-12. Come on, Kyrie. Alright, let's just some cash. Rest of the season. And see how good we do. Alright. Yeah, to me, Kyrie Irving is a top. For real. People say he's a top 10 point guard. They gotta be kidding. They gotta be kidding me. Hey, serious. Kyrie Irving is a top 10. I mean, gotta say top 10 now. Kyrie is a top 3 point guard. Wait, we are 6-9? You gotta be kidding me. 8-9? No. No. Hey, yo, Kyrie is a top 3 point guard. He better than John Wall, Kemba Walker. You can't. I mean, John Wall good now, he good, but I'm just saying, he better than Kyle Lowry. Kim Walker, he have some nice skill sets. He could shake a defender up for real. He could really lose you. We're doing pretty good now. Ooh, alright. Second place, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna do some catches. Yeah, y'all. To me, honestly, I mean, LeBron, he's getting old, and he won't be dominating the East anymore. I mean, they got upcoming stars. They got and these good teams coming up. They got Celtics. They getting new rookies. They just got Tatum. He's a pretty good asset, and they got Kyrie just came. They got Hayward coming back, so they have a pretty good team, pretty good contender. All right, second place. How are the Raptors in first place? Cavaliers 21-20. Oh my God. Alright, y'all. But like, to me, honestly, this year, I see the Warriors beating the Rockets in the 6-game series, and for the East side, I see the Celtics losing to the Cavaliers in a 7-game. I mean, Cavaliers have Kevin Love, LeBron. They got IT return. They got Joe Smith. They got shooters on the team. So it's gonna be a challenge, you know. I mean, Celtics. They got Kyrie. They got Tatum. You know. First on final. They got their first starting lineup. Same lineup, you know. This is the season that we have to beat Cavaliers, you know.